My name is Priyanka, and on today's episode of Catch Up Talks on Social Catch Up, I'm going to be talking to Pratik Gandhi. Yes, the actor who won the OTT space last year with his show. But as opposed to the name of the show, इनके talent में कोई scam नहीं है. He's now learning how to cook from chef Ranveer Brar on Gobble's third season of You Got Chef. So let's talk to him and find out how it went. Hi Pratik, I'm Priyanka. Welcome to Catch Up Talks on Social Catch Up. Firstly, I just like to begin by asking you how you're doing.
Thank you very much for having me.
How are you doing today?
Oh, I'm doing absolutely good. Super excited.
So Pratik, you're going to be a part of Gobble's You Got Chef season 3. Can you tell me a little bit about how excited you are? How was it for you in all as an experience?
I'm super excited, and the experience was absolutely fulfilling. I loved being there on that show beside the chef Ranveer Brar.
Yeah.
My whole family is fan of Ranveer Brar, and we keep watching all his videos, and we keep experimenting with all his recipes and all. So for me, it was like I'm meeting somebody that I already knew since a long time, and I was there. We explored a lot of things were new for me. So I explored this for the first time. And experience for me is like now I am more inclined towards going to the kitchen and experimenting something, making something.
Okay. And before this, did you ever try your hand at cooking, and how did that go? Can you tell me before Ranveer Brar happened to you?
So before Ranveer Brar and You Got Chef happened to me, I guess I went to the kitchen multiple times, but as a helper. Never tried my hands on cooking or cooking something or making something. I was always scared कि यार मुझे नहीं आता, पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा, ये डालूंगा तो पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा. But this is what I've learned, that it's not that difficult. You just have to enjoy being in the kitchen, cooking something, and cooking is it's almost like a meditation. Is what I have learned from this show.
Yeah. And can you tell me about a few tips that you picked up? Anything specific that you thought, oh, I was doing this wrong or something like that? Like 2 or 3 things.
Yeah, so the basic thing that I learned is what I was doing wrong is that I was trying to find a method in something which is so experimental, which is so open for experiments, and you are not supposed to be scared of things. Just go there, explore. I mean, it's kuch nahi hota. And that's what Ranveer also told me. Yaar, डरो मत, बनाओ.
So I think now आपका basic training हो गया. If in the next show or movie you want to play a chef, I think that change is done.
Now I've got that attitude of chef. कि क्या करना है?
Yeah. Did you learn like how to flip the knife and stuff? The chef's special things that only they know how to do.
Oh no. That's I guess that will come at a later stage when I'll reach black belt. I am at white belt right now.
And what is the one thing that you would want to cook next? Like for the next, once all this is over and when you can throw a big party, what is the one thing that you would like to cook for your guests?
So I think I would like to cook the food that I love the most. So I want to cook the whole thali.
Oh,
roti, sabzi, dal, rice, and with all the condiments around. ये पूरी एक थाली बनानी है मुझे यार. That's my dream. I should do this one.
I'm waiting. I'm going to be stalking Instagram, seeing when. So, Pratik, can you tell me a little bit about how this collaboration with You Got Chef and Gobble came together? What made you want to be a part of it?
So when I was approached for this show, I just jumped on this opportunity that I want to be a part of it. I have never done something like this. I had never explored, cooking that way. Though I had performed few characters where I was cooking in front of the camera as a character, as a part of the film, but never tried my hands on. So that was one. The other thing is that I was, getting to be with Ranveer Brar, the chef that I always admired, that who made cooking so easy for all people like me. यार हाँ इसमें कुछ difficult नहीं है, you can do it. He made it sound so easy. Yeah. So the moment this came to me, I just jumped on it and I said yes, I'm doing it, whatever it is.
Moving on from You Got Chef to the other work that you've done, which sort of, I don't know, is all over the internet, scam, and like, how was that for you? How did your life sort of change after that show? Because it was massive. Memes bolo, up video edits bolo, everywhere. Okay, you were everywhere. So how was that change for you?
It's a very, very welcoming change for me. Very fulfilling. It got me thinking that my faith in my craft is even more stronger now. Because all this while, whatever that I was doing, be it on stage or be it in regional cinema or whatever that I was doing, suddenly it helped me reach out to maximum number of audience. Scam changed my life that way. Now I'm being offered good, interesting shows, good, interesting characters. And that's the reason that I was offered Gobbledygook Chef, and I just got to do it.
So, can you tell me, like, is there a major difference between the style of working or, the way cinema or creating a show is perceived in, say, regional, like Gujarati cinema and then Hindi mainstream work? Have you noticed?
See, the biggest difference is the canvas, the budgets, and the avenues. Rest, the passion, the art, your craft remains as it is. Nothing changes.
Okay, correct. So, can you tell me a little bit about what you're doing next? Yeah, if you're working on something right now.
So I'll be working on a couple of web series and a couple of Hindi films in next 1.5 years. Okay. And things should, I'm just waiting for things to, open up and we'll start shooting soon.
I'm dying to know what the projects are. Like, truly, as someone who enjoyed watching your show, it was so incredible. And yeah, just looking forward to what you're doing next. But before I let you go, Pratik, because it's monsoon and food have a special connection, right? So can you tell me 5 monsoon foods or like drinks that you love, absolutely love?
Adrak masale wali chai. पकौड़े ये मतलब ऐसा है कि मानसून इज इक्विवेलेंट टू दिस और करेले की सब्जी गरम गरम घी वाली रोटियां और आम का रस
I think as Gujju's Amras is
Amras is nothing can replace it. बाकी all the Gujarati savories like patra और अभी तो सुरती जो एक डिश है जिसे हम खाजा कहते हैं. खाजा मतलब ये जो बड़ा सा एक पूरी जैसा था. इट्स डीप फ्राइड और ये सरसों के तेल में बनता है और डबल मिरी का होता है. मतलब काली मिर्च इसमें ज्यादा होती है, तीखा होता है. और when I'm saying this, my mouth is full of I'm already tasting it.
No, I also feel like eating it. So thank you so much, Pratik. It was superb talking to you, and I'm so glad this happened. Can't wait to watch the show.
Thank you very much.